Okay, so I'm in here in the engine compartment. I'm trying to zoom in on the actuator. I don't notice any leaks down here, any oil leaks down underneath the cylinder. If I put my fingers under here, there's a tiny bit of oil, but just seems like normal. I've checked all the hoses. I'm not seeing any leaking under here. These seem to be dry under here. I think that play seems to be normal where that cotter pin fits in. I don't know for sure. I'm gonna go to the other side here to show it. Okay, I'm in here from the port side now. Zooming in on the steering actuator. Nothing seems, it's just hard to tell if anything's bad. I don't see any leaks. If I come around here to my left, I can see the back of the power steering pump. And I don't see any leaks on the fiberglass underneath here. This hose is dry. I spilled a little bit of oil putting oil in it yesterday, so there's a tiny bit on here, but I just don't see any leaks under here yet. I'm not seeing any leaks along the length of the hoses down there. Kind of hard to see, but they're going back to the actuator. Okay, yesterday I checked the power steering fluid. It was completely dry. I had about a half a quart to it, and it's kind of hard to see, but it's showing about halfway between the cold and the hot mark on there. So I think we're good on fluid. So next I'm gonna start the motor and let it run and turn the steering back and forth. Be a little bit hard to see. I'll have a buddy to help me zoom in on that steering actuator back there. If I put it into gear, I'm going to check. Okay, so I'm just going to show, I've got a wiggling my outdrive back and forth here. This kind of seems like a little bit too much play. I'm not pushing too hard and it's going back and forth. So that previous video, couldn't tell if it's if it's vibrating back here when I'm turning the wheel back and forth slightly or not, because I don't have anybody back here, but just wanted to show this.